So now we are going to discuss about we're going to discuss about all accept. Okay, all accept. Accept. So what all accept does? What all accept does? It takes table, takes table name, and columns. You might ask. So if you have tens of columns in the visualization, okay, you have 10 columns in the visualization. If you want to keep particular column, build a context. Okay, particular column, build a context. Then you can use all except. If you want to keep particular column, maybe it's so we can understand all plus accept, except all anything but ignore, ignore, ignore all columns, regulation, no, no, ignore, filter context, all columns, no filter context, all columns, individualization, except, 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 individualization. Syntax, export syntax, all except takes a table, takes table, and it will keep the mention filter context, column filter context, or column or etc. I'm going to implement the Power BI. Okay, so I'm dragging total profit. I'm dragging total profit. Now I want to see the market level profits. So I'm just dragging here market level profits. Market level profits. Now I want to see how each and every category values are performing across market level. So I'm just dragging. Okay. So in Africa, furniture contributing this. Out of all the profits in Africa, furniture is contributing from 16 to 62. Office supplies contributing about 28,480. Technology is about 44, 129. Now we want to find how much how much each and every profit is contributing among the total profits. That's our expectation. That's our expectation. That's our expectation. So what all acceptors, all acceptors ignore filter context of all the columns in the vigilation except the mentioned column in the vigilation. So we have to focus this one. Okay. Which one you want? We have to keep particular column filter context. Okay. So the expectation is I want Africa total. Here I want to get Africa total. To get the Africa total, what should I do? Which column to ignore and which column I need to keep? We have to remember either one is the best. So if you want to ignore a filter context of one column, okay, filter context of one column, what should you do? Okay, we already discussed all function, right? All function. We have to use now take on this expectation. Like I want market total across each and every furniture. To accomplish this, either I can use all function, or all except, all except. Okay, all accept. What all accept is ignore the filter context. Okay, it ignores the filter context. Ignore the filter context. Two ways you can context. It keeps filter context. So what I have to use to accomplish this, I want the market total. So to get the market total across each and every year, what should I do? Let me use all. Let me use all. What should I do? I have to ignore filter context, right? So what I have to do, I just removed category. So try to understand. I want what market total. So I just remove category so that I can get the market total here. Okay. I can get the market total here. So that is the one of the way. So another way is we can get the same value when you keep the filter context. So I want which level information. I want which level information, market level information, right? I want which level information, market level information, market level information. Just mention. I want to keep the market so that it will ignore what are the columns other than the market. So let me write it in both ways. Let me write it in first all, okay, by using total using all, okay, total using all. So calculate what it takes, total profits. I want what actually I want. I want market total. So what if you want market total, what we need to do category. So I mentioned category here. Okay. So let me drag it down. I'm getting 88,000. Okay. This is my expectation earlier, right? I want to get this total combination of this total here. Even if you're using all accept, we will accomplish same thing. Okay. Total in all accept. What all accept does, calculate total profits, what it takes, total profits, what it takes. Now you're using all accept to keep the filter context of one thing. To keep what level you want to filter context, market level. So keep market here. You have to mention the table name. So table name is order. Table name is order. You have to keep filter context of the market. So just mention the market. Now see the result. Getting 8887. Same. There's nothing changed. So we can use all accept. Okay. No problem for this. Now now we can find out how much Africa total, how much furniture is contributing across Africa's total. To do that we have to use percentage of total, percentage of total, percentage of total, percentage of total. So, total profit, current value is total profit divided by required value. Required value is either you can mention total or total accept, all accept. So I'm using all accept. Okay. I think we have already percentage of total, right? So I'm using all accept for understanding it. Stack. You can see in decimal by default, if you percentage, you can change to percentage. Now we can see. Now we can see. Now we can see Africa, there is total 100%. 100%. The furniture out of that, furniture contributing 18%, office supplies is contributing 32, technology contributing 42. So majority share we are getting from the technology. The second I said was office supplies. So that is, so in this way we can get required values by using filter function. So what we are going to discuss so far. So what we have discussed so far, filter function, why we need to learn the filter function, and these are just formulas we are using in any data, any technology, any tool like Tableau and Power BI. This is not repeated, so we have to understand and apply these formulas wherever required. And we also learned the default behavior of the measure is filter context. So in particular, if you want to take on this the required values, we have to override the existing behavior. To do that, we are using some filter function. The first one is the calculate. With what calculate takes as an input, like expression and filter. The expression is evaluated based on the mentioned filter, and also the expression should be a scalar or aggregated value, nothing but single value. So it will override the existing way of the measure. Okay. What all does is it ignores the filter context of the visual. It takes table name, or we can use the column name. So it will ignore the mentioned column name. Okay, mentioned column name, filter context. Okay, filter context. And also we are learning all selected also same as a all, but the difference is if you want unfiltered total, like just like if you have some value, if user want particular level total, so you selected those values, you get required level of total. Okay, required level of total, then you will go with the all selected, whereas all the values are not responding for with the selected values. Okay, same as all. If you want unfiltered total, use all. If you want filter total, you can use all selected. All except is if you have tens of columns. If you want to see filter context of particular column level, then use all except. It takes table name, and mention which column you want to keep the filter context. Okay. So to simply understand, naming itself all ignore the filter context. Okay. Except what except does, the filter context of all the columns in the relation except the mentioned columns in the relation. So this is the simple way to understand. Okay. And thank you for spending time with me. And if you really like it, please subscribe and comment your opinion how the video was. Thank you.